It's my life, yeah. I just want one night, yeah. Crazy how time flies. Back then they didn't want me though. Now my shit on me like, whoa. It's my life, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Azel Gambino back with another freaking video. And today, or tonight, by the time y'all watching this, it's gonna be daytime. So, we're gonna be doing what we doing today.
That hot Cheeto and chicken.
Chicken. I don't think this is gonna turn out good, but they did it before, so we're gonna see how this look. So, without further ado, let's get shit cracking.
Okay, so we got this Ninja blender and our hot Cheetos. We already blend up one.
Gotta make a beat with it.
Hey.
With the blender?
Hey.
Hold on, if I make it.
Hey. You good, bro? That was good to the camera, G. We're not really doing nothing tonight. This was like kind of first official vlog, somewhat. You done, bro?
We ain't doing shit.
Yeah, we're not really doing nothing tonight.
Chicken with some macaroni and watch a movie.
Watch a movie.
We can watch Get Out.
I still haven't watched that movie.
Merge.
Oh,
You
God.
wanna watch
It's
it?
crazy. I watched it already.
The spoon.
Make it the thumbnail. Go right there.
Got a
Hey.
thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Damn.
Hold on, let me do it.
Cut that out.
Where the chips at?
You mean, cuz?
Yeah. Where did the... Oh.
They real confused right now. Okay.
Last time we put ranch on it, bro. That's all I'm saying. Last time we put ranch
They
on it.
put ranch on
Yeah,
it?
we put ranch on it because remember we couldn't stick it because you wanted to crunch it up. Just like it wasn't blended. So this should stick. If it
But on the
don't,
little thing, go ahead, bro.
if it don't, we can use ranch. No one's about a thing.
Hell, you hear me, man?
Okay, so we finna start. What we finna do, Deja?
Put the ranch on the chicken so we can add flavor and it also can stick.
Facts.
And then we wait for our grease to get hot. And then, you know, we whoop to the bams again.
I don't know what that means. But give this video a thumbs up if you think this gonna turn out well. I still don't think it's gonna turn out well. They say it is.
You don't got faith in me again.
They say it is. But we finna time lapse the video.
Look, bro.
We getting it started.
It's gonna work. We just didn't do it right the last time. That's all that happened.
Oh, that's
If
how that
it was
happened?
to me, we would have did it right.
Okay. So we finna time lapse the video.
I clean my hands.
Okay, let them know. Yeah, so. Alright, so tell them what's going on now.
Hey, so we just put the chicken and the Cheetos and the way for the grease.
As y'all seen in the time lapse.
We're waiting for the grease to get hot.
Facts.
And we just clean up as we go. We about to play some music. And
Hey.
we about to wait. But we also cook the macaroni.
You trying to mess up our stomach, I ain't even gonna lie. You ugly.
But we gotta wait. We wanna cook the macaroni first because it's cold.
Uh-oh.
There's a thousand in the light time.
It's crazy. What you doing over here?
Dang. Washing out this blender, fam.
Hey. Blend it.
About to play some music.
Alright guys, we back. We have finished it. Y'all can see what it look like. Matter of fact, hold on, let me show y'all.
Hey.
We got macaroni.
Hey, go crazy.
Go nuts. Alright, so we finna do a taste test. See what it's like. Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, we finna do a taste test.
2.
What we need to taste test on the macaroni for?
That shit is smacking. We already know the macaroni.
Right.
Oh God. Are y'all ready?
Chicken though.
Oops. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all might have just did something right there.
And
Like that.
forget it. I might just make a cooking channel.
Oh,
Okay.
this is wonderful. Hold on.
Crazy.
Okay, maybe they're doing a little too extra right now.
Hold on. This got the right amount of zest.
Like that.
Like that.
Oh my god. Hold on. I give it a thumbs up.
Thanks.
It's a W.
Thanks.
Comment down below. Spam W's down there. We're finna wrap this video up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new.
Subscribe.
Share with a friend or a family member. Let us know what y'all think of my first vlog. How I did. How we did. You know, shout out to them. But without further ado, I'll see y'all on the next. Gambino out. Peace.
Did you stop it?